Okay, now we are starting. We are discussing till question number 11. Now we are discussing about question number 12. Okay, question number 12. Wait a second. I want to take it. And this is twice times, and this is also I think twice times. Okay, now next question is, given the Einstein equation for a photoelectric emission, what do symbols stands for? Okay, this is important. Give is Einstein's equation for photoelectric emission, what do symbols stands for? Okay, we know that the photoelectric effect, Einstein photoelectric equation बोल रहा है, तो बहुत सारी होती हैं, पर मेनली हम लिख देते हैं के ई मैक्स इज इक्वल्स टू h mu minus mu naught, where Ke max stands for kinetic energy, h stands for Planck's constant, mu stands for frequency, and mu naught stands for threshold frequency. Now we can see the answer what is given in this. Okay, in this nothing is to be seen. Referring to 247 page number, and 247 page number, and that is this. You can see what condition I can made in my notebook, and as you can see it is 247 page number. And now we are discussing about, okay, come back. It is true, obviously. Give in photoelectric what is mean by term threshold frequency. Okay, this is a question I left, that is what discuss what is mean by the term of threshold frequency. So what is threshold frequency? Threshold frequency is the minimum frequency of an incident radiation required to eject an electron from the metal surface is known as the threshold frequency. Okay, now the next come to the next question, that is question number 14. How can work function of a tungsten be increased? It is a toughest question, and not we can say the toughest, but I don't know the answer of that question, as I am also solving the questions with you, practicing my paper for, so we can see the answer. That how can the work function of tungsten be increased? How? Here the solution is given. Question number 14, that is, work function of tungsten can be increased by coating it with thorium whose work function is lower than tungsten. ओके, सो वर्क फंक्शन ऑफ टंगस्टन कैन बी इंक्रीज हो सकता है बाई कोटिंग. अगर हम उसमें कोटिंग कर दें किसकी, थोरियम की, जिसका वर्क फंक्शन जो होता है वो टंगस्टन से कम होता है. सो वर्क फंक्शन ऑफ टंगस्टन कैन बी इंक्रीज बाई कोटिंग इट विथ थोरियम हुज वर्क फंक्शन इज लोअर देन द टंगस्टन. ठीक है, whose work function is lower than the tungsten. Okay, I think the question is made to clear. I think I made myself clear for this question, that work function of how the work function of tungsten can be increased by coating it with thorium whose work function is lower than that of tungsten. Sorry. Okay, now we are discussing about question number 15, that threshold wavelength for a certain metal of photoelectric effect is 600 nanometer. What is given? Threshold wavelength, that is lambda naught is given. Okay, थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालनी. थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी मतलब म्यू नॉट निकालना है, वर्क फंक्शन निकालना है, दैट इज़ फाई निकालना है आपको. ओके, तो फाई नॉट कह सकते हैं. ओके, सो लैम्डा नॉट दिया गया है और म्यू नॉट निकालना है. सो लैम्डा नॉट और म्यू नॉट का क्या रिलेशन होता है? तो होता है, एक तो होता है SC बाई लैम्डा नॉट. वेट इनवर्सली रिलेशन होता है ना. राइट, वी आर डिस्कसिंग राइट दैट म्यू नॉट इज इक्वल्स टू C बाई लैम्डा नॉट हो जाएगा, और वैल्यू पुट करके जस्ट आंसर मिल जाएगा.